Daddy and Grace, story time. Daddy and Grace, story time. Daddy and Grace, story time. Now we read some books. Yeah!
Now we read some books. Oh, Zebra, 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 Lemma, 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 Lemma,
Peppa's washing day. He said,
Peppa's washing day.
Today, Daddy Pig is washing his football shirt and hanging it out to dry. Now I must go to work, he grunts. Bye-bye, Daddy, cries Peppa and George. Splish, splash, splosh. Peppa and George are jumping in puddles. Oops! They splashed mud on Daddy's shirt. Don't worry, says Mommy Pig. We'll wash it again. Thinks Peppa. My red dress is muddy too. She takes her dress off and puts it in the wash. Mommy Pig comes back and switches on the machine. Whirr. Soon, the washing machine finishes. Look, Mommy, smiles Peppa. My red dress is nice and clean. Yes, Peppa, says Mommy Pig, but it has made Daddy's shirt pink. Daddy Pig is home from work. My team wear white, not pink, he sighs. You have a white shirt, Daddy, smiles Peppa. Just take off your jacket. Thank you, Peppa, replies Daddy Pig. Hooray! The football team has arrived. Hello, Daddy Pig, says all his friends. We like your shirt. It's very smart. Thank you, laughs Daddy Pig. Come on, let's play football. Daddy Pig plays football and scores a goal. Daddy, cries Peppa, you've made your shirt all muddy. Of course, replies Daddy Pig. Football shirts are meant to be muddy. Everyone in the team is muddy. Daddy Pig loves playing football. Everyone loves playing football, especially when it's muddy. Hee hee hee, ha ha ha. Daddy